Welcome to Make Your Chat UI Responsive with Tailwind CSS, an autism-friendly coding tutorial that is a follow-up to our last one, a link to which I'll provide in the description below. In this calm-focused video, we'll improve the chat UI we built earlier by making the text easier to read on all screen sizes. We'll use Tailwind's responsive utility classes to scale text without needing any media queries or layout rewrites. There's just one clear step in this tutorial. Let's get started. To make our chat easier to read on larger screens, we'll add two Tailwind classes to the message text element. Add sm::text-base and md::text-lg to the div that wraps msg.content. These make the font size slightly larger on medium and large screens without changing anything on mobile. It's a small change with a big usability payoff. That's it. Your chat UI is now more responsive and easier to read on any screen. You didn't need to rewrite anything, just a few small Tailwind classes to scale text sizes gracefully across screen sizes. This kind of calm-focused improvement is what we're all about. If this kind of direct autism-friendly coding tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.